Hello Divine Soul. You're not watching this by an accident. This is your confirmation that everything gonna be alright. Your miracle is on the way. You got a big blessing on the way. As you affirm this along with us, something amazing is manifesting for you. So watch till the end to attract miracles in your life. Are you ready for a miracle in your life today? Subscribe the channel if you want to join in manifesting journey with us with the super magical affirmations. And also like the video to connect with the process of manifesting. Positive and higher vibe of the day. 333. The universe is reminding you that you are God's child. Your angels are saying, you are loved. Type yes if you believe. Real love is coming into your life. Your twin flame is attracted to you. Fall in love with someone who is both your safe place and your biggest adventure. Type yes if you believe. You will attract unlimited wealth from unknown sources. Type yes if you believe. Don't tell anyone what you're doing until it's done. Outside energy can throw off goals. 1111. Soon someone's going to look at you like you are the best thing in the world. This is a sign that everything is going to work out in your life with your finances, your health, your love, and your family. When you choose to forgive those who have hurt you, you take away their power. Believe. You are attracting a massive amount of money as you listen this. 444. You are surrounded by angels. Have faith that they will comfort, love and protect you, whenever you feel the need. 444 If you believe. Happiness comes when you stop waiting for it and instead enjoy living in the moment. As you watch this, all your problems and worries will be replaced with happiness, love, health and financial abundance. Type 1 Accept if you are ready to receive. God is about to change your last name and location. Type yes if you believe. 222. The phone you are watching this on will ring with good news this week. The wait is over. Type yes if you believe. Something you've prayed for is about to arrive suddenly. 9999. You have no idea the size of the blessing that's coming your way for being so consistent. It's literally your time to receive. Universe. It's time for your breakthrough. Type yes if you believe. 1111. All the money I spent comes back to me multiplied. God is about to put your name in the ear of someone who can change your life. Type yes if you believe. Repeat after me. I am about to walk into the greatest years of my life. The universe reveals its secrets to those who dare to follow their hearts. This is a sign that everything is going to work out in your life with your finances, your health, your love, and your family. Nothing happens by accident. The universe is preparing you for your next step. Get ready. The universe says, I felt your vibration. Now it's your turn to win the lottery. Enjoy. Type yes if you believe. Never say anything about yourself you do not want to come true. The law of attraction is always working. 44:44. Something very good is coming your way. Good news, good times, good relationships, good health, and many blessings. Your time is coming. It's about to happen for you. So many breakthroughs. So many blessings. Keep believing, keep praying. Type yes if you believe. 11:11. You will receive unexpected financial blessings in the next 24 hours. God says, stay patient. My timing is perfect. I have something bigger planned for you, and trust me, you're going to love it. Type yes if you believe. Your time is coming. It's about to happen for you. So many breakthroughs. So many blessings. Keep believing, keep praying. 11:11. You will receive unexpected financial blessings in the next 24 hours. God says, stay patient. My timing is perfect. I have something bigger planned for you, and trust me, you're going to love it. Type yes if you believe. It's already yours. Type yes if you believe. 11:11. Old energy is clearing. New energy is clearing. Great things are coming. Type yes if you believe. 0000. The money is coming. The new home is coming. The breakthrough is coming. Good health is coming. Financial freedom is coming. Love is coming. Type yes if you believe.